Strict man is Cordial 6. This is Hoyt. If we get the chance to record this stuff tonight, we don't know yet. Waiting on a call back.
Howdy, fellow bikers. This is what's left of old Hoyt Axton out here in Victor, Montana. I've been riding motorcycles since I was 14 years old. Today I'm nearly and still riding. What you want?
All right.
Tell him who the runner-up was.
Who was it?
David Crawford.
Dave Crawford was the runner-up.
Is that right?
He's shorter and fatter than I am. That's why I got the award, I think.
The appreciation for improving the image of motorcycles.
That's
Oh,
nice.
that's nice.
That's a great award.
Didn't even have to leave the house.
Patty's new riding companion.
Who peed on my leg?
Where's the little goggles for your dog?
That's not right on the bike.
Is that bike riding on? Is that dog riding on your back in that way, man? Come on.
Not right now, but
Are you guys the volunteer balloon throwers?
Yep. Yeah.
All right, pay them.
Hey, look over here, folks. We got a heck of a volunteer camp across balloons with the parents. Hopefully they'll get all of them chance to throw balloons. There we go.
Anybody has topless scenes from the video?
I want you to go to the corners. I want us to get clean fight. I want you to come out and ride me. Yeah, Clip! Remember what I said. Sliding through the curves is preferred. Clip kind of takes that to an extreme. He knows what he's doing. The fastest of the two times will be the contestant's time. See how he makes his down to the end. Look at this, he's going to slide around. Look at what he's doing, and he's landing up to the he's got it lined off pretty good. Oh, look at this. He's going to slide the other straight around there. He's lining it up. There goes Steve. His time, 27.2 seconds. Just 1 second short of beating Kirk.
I drank with Deacon Proudfoot in a $silver bar in Deadwood, South Dakota. We'd ridden fast and far. Our bikes were Harley Davidsons, the roads were hot and dry. I cranked my ego through the curves and damn near learned to fly. And old Deacon didn't like it and he fixed me with a stare. If it had been a laser, he'd have burned off all my hair. Then David Walsh, the guitar man, said, Spearfish Canyon's fine. To test out all your nerves of steel and hear that engine whine. 3 Harleys make a thunder sound when they're side by side. Makes you want to kick the dog, get in the wind and ride. Ride like the wind, a never-ending song of time and space. I'd have started a whole lot sooner if I'd known it was a race.
Welcome to Scooter Fest 1997.
How's that? All right. Go down the road if you don't have fun.
There's a dog snoring.
Where do you like to